Stop wasting your money and your English potential. Learn how to talk about money, budget, and save smartly in clear, natural English. English Podcast for Beginners A2 to B1.
Hey everyone, welcome back to English Bridge Podcast, where you learn English through real-life conversations. I'm Tom.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're talking about something very useful, money. How to save it, how to spend it wisely, and how to talk about it in English.
That's right. Whether you're a student, a worker, or just starting to manage your own money, this episode will help you learn practical English phrases you can use in real life.
But wait, Tom. Before we start our big topic,
Yes, our small request.
yes, everyone listening, if you like our podcast, please take 1 second and click the like button.
Yes, please. And if you are new, welcome. Please subscribe to English Bridge channel.
And share this episode with a friend if you have a friend who is learning English. Maybe they will like our chat.
Yes, thank you so much. Your support is wonderful.
Okay, so Tom, let's start with the question. Are you good at saving money?
Sometimes. I try to save, but I also love coffee and gadgets. What about you?
I'm quite careful with money. I like to plan my budget every month.
That's smart. So budget means a plan for how you spend and save your money, right?
Exactly. For example, I make a budget every month. I try not to spend more than I earn.
Great phrases. Let's practice, listeners. Repeat after me. I make a budget every month. I try not to spend too much.
Pause for repetition. Now, let's learn some everyday English money phrases.
Okay, phrase number 1. I'm broke. It means you have no money.
Exactly. For example, I can't go out tonight. I'm broke.
Phrase number 2. It's too expensive. Something costs a lot of money.
Or, that's a good deal. When something is cheap or has a good price.
Let's try these together. I'm broke. It's too expensive. That's a good deal.
Pause for repetition. Let's talk about saving tips. Tom, do you have one?
Sure. My first tip is cook at home instead of eating out. You can save a lot of money that way.
Great one. My tip is write down your expenses. When you see where your money goes, it's easier to control it.
Excellent advice. Another one. Set small goals. For example, I'll save $20 a week. Small goals really help.
Yes, and remember this useful phrase. I'm saving up for something you want.
Example, I'm saving up for a new phone. Now repeat with us. I'm saving up for a trip. I'm saving up for new shoes.
Pause for repetition. Let's learn some expressions for spending money.
Sure, you can say, I spent too much on clothes, or I wasted money on something silly.
And a positive one, I invested my money in something useful.
Nice. So invest means using money to make more money later.
Exactly.
Let's do a short role play for our listeners.
Great idea.
Hey, Emma, do you usually save money?
Yes, I do. I'm saving up for a trip next summer. What about you?
I try to save, but I spend too much on coffee.
Maybe you should make a budget.
You're right. That's a good deal.
So today we learned how to talk about money, saving, and budgeting in English.
Yes, remember these key phrases. I'm broke. It's too expensive. I'm saving up for. I make a budget every month.
Practice them every day and you'll sound more confident when you talk about money.
Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to English Bridge Podcast and share this episode with a friend. See you next time.
Bye.